Success in staffing and recruiting is about relationship management. To compete and win, you need to successfully build and carefully nurture your relationships with your clients, your prospects, and your candidates. But managing your relationships effectively is easier said than done. Increasing client demands, competition from other agencies, economic uncertainty, and the ever-present alternative of in-house recruiting threaten to cut into your margins. The key to staying ahead is to work smarter, faster. Being a great recruiter or salesperson just isn't enough anymore. Whether you're a single user shop or a global staffing leader, you need powerful software that provides the right information and tools at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere, so you can be more agile, win more business, and make more placements. You need a secret weapon. You need Bullhorn. Bullhorn helps you automate and manage your full recruitment lifecycle, from finding and nurturing clients, to retrieving and processing job orders, to sourcing and submitting quality candidates and managing contractor relationships. Whether you specialize in search, staffing, or a combination of both, Bullhorn solutions cover every stage of your recruiting process. Let us show you how our solutions can help you thrive in the new recruiting economy.